Good morning. Good morning, good morning. It's Tuesday. Feeling good. We got the 50K accounts on the group trade. We're trading two of these things. We're vibing. A little overview. We're looking at the 1 hour. We have cleared this little swing high, right? So we kind of made a bottom, moved higher, seeing if we can hold a higher low, and then see if we can't break this swing high, make higher highs, see if we get a little reversal out of this area, or if we continue our downtrend. We're still within yesterday's range, right? We're within yesterday's range, we're within yesterday's fair value. I actually really like the hold of this area down here. That was a nice long opportunity. I like this hold in here, stop below this swing low, stop below this high volume node, look to enter in here. You know, target maybe this next high volume node up here at 100 points, the juicer, but I don't hate that. Probably not gonna take it because it's like right pre-market, right about the open. I'm not really looking to take anything right off the open, but I don't hate that idea. And it looks like it wants to kind of pump out of this area. High volume node that we have right here, right around yesterday's fair value low. Not a bad little trade scheme. But also we have the overnight point of control right here too, so we could see a little bit of chop. But plan of the day, let some things play out, see if we want to move higher, see if we want to move lower, and then play accordingly. Look at logical places of higher highs or lower lows, etc. Higher lows or lower highs, depending on the trend. I got my trading cat, my tactical trading cat. He's gonna whisper into my ear when to take trades. He's my quant. And we're vibing to music. I'm gonna turn this down just a little bit for the people. But we got the bangers on deck. We got the slapperoonies. Market just about to open here. Give it another minute. Or even less than a minute. In contracts, we're set. We're looking good. Market opens. We hold this. Yeah. How the reaction on point of control. Found this song. Discover Weekly's been fire this week. Found this group. I really like this song. I might check out more of their music. Pretty chill, pretty vibey. So far, it looks like we're holding this area. I know I'd expect it, right? We're right around yesterday's value area low. Only roadblock is this point of control here. But it looks bullish. So far, holding that low. What's good, man? How you doing? I'm doing well, thank you. I hope you took shorts at open. I'm joking. Oh, I'm not, actually. Really?
Fuck you, bro. Like, and I'm up right now. This is stupid.
The unbeatable strategy. You know it's like the IQ bell curve meme, where it has like the stupid person at the far left end and the genius at the far right both come to the same conclusion, and the person in the middle is like overthinking things.
That's funny.
I could see like the ends being like short at the open, and then the person in the middle like, you have to wait for this and this and this and this setup to happen.
That's me.
It's like he just short at the open. What's up, Fully? How you doing, brother?
Good, man. How are you?
All right, thank you.
Saw your video last night.
Yes, sir.
Was it $600 per account or total?
Per account, brother.
That's so sick.
We're trying. I mean, with this volatility, I was shooting for like 30, 40 points. Now I'm trying to go for like 60 to 80 points and hold the whole position that entire time. I'm trying to make racks, but we'll see.
Hell yeah. What is your funded account?
Blown.
You blew it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. When did it happen?
Last Friday, so I had a daily loss limit and I hit that and I quit trading. And then I came back in the evening because I wanted to. My plan was to use the payout to get more challenge accounts.
Right.
But Apex was having that like 80% off sale, and I was like, well, after hitting my daily loss limit, I probably won't be able to get a payout in time to like. So I just figured, okay, I'll get a couple challenge accounts while this discount's active.
Gotcha.
And then I was like trying to figure out the group trading thing on Tradeovate, and I didn't really like realize what I was doing. And I thought that I was like limited by the daily loss limit on my PA account because I already hit that, you know. So I was like, I don't know. I took off the daily loss limit, and I took a trade on my PA account to see if it would let me, and I forgot to adjust the contracts from trading my group, and so I took a loss. Like I took like a quick like $400 loss, and I was like, oh shit. And then I tried to make that back and blew it. Yeah, it was stupid. Like I said, I just made a mistake, and then I kind of went on tilt after that. After I realized what I did.
Right.
But yeah, it wasn't. I didn't enjoy it.
No, it wasn't a good experience.
I would rank it as one of my least favorite experiences. Yeah, it wasn't ideal.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know. I feel like hopefully it only makes me better.
Yeah, I mean that's the farthest you've gotten since the start of your trading journey. So
Yeah.
see it as progress for sure.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
What are we doing here?
I actually kind of like longs down here. But where I wanted to get in. if I were to get in 410 somewhere in there. I'm not sure. Stay out of it for a bit.
Well,
But
my
yeah.
strategy didn't work.
Short it open. It dropped quite a bit. What did it drop? Like,
Yeah, I didn't take it though. It just
gotcha.
topped me out. Womp. Damn. Quite a climb.
If it does hold down there, I could see it returning all the way back up to like 540, 530, somewhere up there. Well, there it goes. Maybe I shouldn't have hesitated on that entry because I was actually kind of thinking about it. Absolutely ripping. That's crazy. Well, I didn't expect it to make the move in like 2 minutes. It's pretty crazy.
Hello.
What's good, Yvonne?
Hello, boys. Good morning, good everything.
Morning.
Do you think we can make some higher highs, or we just go
I
down
think
again?
so. I think so. I'd like to see us make our way up to that, like, close to like 700 where we kind of topped out in that swing high yesterday. We break pre-market high and retest that area. I'd probably try to long it up to that point.
Yeah, I also have that level around there, pre-market high.
Yeah, I'd like to see it break pre-market high and then hold between like 570 and 530. Kind of a wide range, but if it can hold in there.
We have also news in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Nice Wicks on the farm anytime.
degrees. It's cold out here.
You say 53?
63.
I'm at 51. Supposed to get up to 70 something today. I'm stoked. What is it? 71 is the high today. 73 is the high tomorrow. Sunny and 70, I'll take it. Oh, do not give me the move during news so I miss it. That would be upsetting. It's kind of doing what I want to see it do. Broke pre-market high.
It's kind of reversing.
Alright, see if it holds in here.
News in like 30 seconds.
Mm-hmm. Oh. I thought this was the 1 minute news candle, and I was like, it's not doing anything. And then I realized.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. My trade of Evade's disconnected from my. Wait, what? What is going on? It's like significantly behind. I might have to close it and reopen it. This is what was happening yesterday, I realized. It's like the time on my computer and the time on my Trade of 8 are disconnected. Like I'm like a minute or two behind on my Trade of 8. And it makes it really hard to trade, finds out, if you're trading based off minute-old price action. 2 minute old price action, whatever it may be. Oh, nice. Okay.
Hard to tell what it wants to do.
I tried a long, got stopped out right there. I might re-enter if it showed me what I like. I like it. Oh, well, certainly not that.
I got myself a nice place in the hills, some new threads, nice ride. It was fun. I like being a big shot. Wouldn't you?
And you can't be scared of change, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? You be alright. Keep your eyes on that prize, keep your eyes on that bag, you know what I'm saying? And don't trip, my niggas. Levels of success, you know what I'm saying? Take it one step at a time. Numbers. What's happening? Gotta think bigger. I'm driving to Pacifica. When you writing down your goals, you gotta be Pacific. I'm different. Nigga, I can French kiss a ticket. Cutting off with them little niggas, love you tripping. Fuck it. We just go cop the whole building. We was pushing to civilians. Anything to make it out that jungle. Looked up to the drug dealers. Yeah. People that. Counting up 1,000 blues, I don't never watch the news. Now the guns tactical, move how a nigga move. Lifestyle factual, did what I had to do. Man, yeah. Blueberries in the smoothie, no time to watch a movie. Yeah, you had good intentions, but I like execution. 30 days in the motel, going 2 for 2. Now the Escalade bulletproof when we.
Damn, what a drop. Holy shit. Broke high a day and just dropped like 130. Or no, almost 230 points. 240, that's insane.
Going on but never stressed out. Bitches always in the nigga business with they neck out. Pull up on my bitch who live in Bella with the best mouth. Your main bitch called me to hit it, she wanted stretched out. I just dropped the EP with Spitter, they like what's next now. I'm just happy that I could do it with some of the best out. Niggas think they harder than Wacko with all they chest out. Real riders really be trooping, will shoot your shit down. Used to do the act, but now I be sipping tech proud. TDF records, you know it's fire how we get down. Niggas learning peace aching, thinking they from the set now. Label clearing samples, so now they can't take my shit down. I lay the vocals and send it in for the mix now. Always keep a bitch down, 10-toe stomp down. You know how we get down. Being from the gang, so you know a nigga been around on Bond to West Side. West Side. Hey, 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 hey,
What have I
Suck it to me.
to offer you?
Yeah, baby.
Nothing more than all of me. And what have I to offer you? Just my everything
This market is very rational, and very easy to trade.
I don't know. Today was a little tricky.
In 200-point swings back to back. Pretty straightforward.
The money, the love, the funds, everything I want to loot. Bays in the back on the run, hitting 100 on highway ones. Bays in the back and I'm done, you know I'm driving and she got her legs in the sun.
Bad bitch throwing it back, that half that go count the loot. I'm a pursuit, getting the business like I'm in a suit. I'm concerned returning a 5 to 10 and letting the vehicle bend and making some ends from letting the record spin. They never been in Japan, but they still giving me in. I'm gripping the wood and swerving, taking my girl on excursion. A little diversion, like something different from the average person. The only time we rehearse is when we keep killing y'all niggas, ooh. And if I'm keeping it real, I'm really not feeling y'all niggas, so I'm in pursuit.
And I'm a pursuit. The money, the love, the funds, everything I want to loot. Bays in the back on the run, hitting 100 on highway ones. Bays in the back and I'm done, you know I'm driving and she got her legs in the sun.
Comes to top 5, yeah, I hold a residency. Stay with currency, killing them all like Tank Dempsey. When I grip the mic, I swear to God.
This is ridiculous.
Alright, man, I'm sipping too much scotch right now. We gotta do it again. Talking now. Alright, here we go. Yo, hey yo. When it comes to top 5, yeah, I hold a residency. Stay with currency, killing them all like Tank Dempsey. When I grip the mic, I trust fund for a few sons. Hey yo, you softer than the epidermis of an inner thigh. Taking out of me and ask the teacher why I never miss, cause my chromosome Y. Greatest rapper alive, yeah, that's how I identify. Pass the weed, it's right here for all the musicians in need. Hip hop is my house, I own the motherfucking D. Feel like Keanu in Speed, I just can't stop. This shit ain't pop, I lock it down like a B-boy. You know I destroy, load the clip and watch like WMD. The boy from MD, the only one to make it look as easy as ABC. The LOGIC out here with HOME body. Dynamic duo like Doc and Marty. No DeLorean, they hip-hop historian. The rest of them is boring. I'm Corey in this world that the boy meets. Big fish, little pond. That's the reason don't respond when these koi speak. Fuck the beef. Spend your record label advance on the chain when you should've fixed your teeth. Good grief. It's peanuts. Fucking slut.
This is crazy. I gotta go do some baking, so I'm gonna head out early today.
Sounds good, brother. Take it easy.
Yes, sir. Peace.
Later.
See you, man. I made a mistake.
What's up?
I was short NQ and I got around 40 points and I wanted to take majority position out, but I added the position and exit.
I love doing that. The fun little game.
Was it good or bad?
I mean, I gave some of my profits back. I'm still in profit, but first of all, it scared me, and I closed all of my positions. And
That's the
second,
worst,
yeah, and secondly, I lost that on that trade where I added by mistake. I lost like 10 points on single contract, so not too happy about it, but still a win. I'll be back in human voice if you're still here.
Sounds good. I'll be around.
From the start of it, I know where I wanna be, but a dream is not a part of it. If my mind is made up and your mind is made up, but every other weekend we fight, fuck, then we make up. Crush these flowers just so I can feel a little bit. Been waiting too long, can't let you slip from my fingertips. You say what you mean, but your actions speak the most. So at the end of the day, the back and forth, this roller coaster's like. Do me a favor, pause it.
Approaching yesterday's low.
Crazy.
Yeah, today's price action was nuts.
It's been like this for like a couple of days now. It's really, I don't know, different.
It's been very special.
Yeah.
Don't worry, honey, you're special. Market's been very special.
Try to tell me I can't do it, watch me do it. Boss shit, bitch, I talk this shit fluent. Talking numbers with my nigga and he Jewish. Touchdown, quick bag, nothing to it. Atlantic City, 3 weeks, we can eat. Elevate the game, take the trap OT. Gotta play a low key, no jewels on me. 2 days, touch 3, went home with 23. And that was just something slight, I was trying to bounce back. Green juice in the morning, bitch, rub a nigga back. Looking like I'm out a movie in this 18 vet. Coulda got that new thing, but the 87 wet. 6 takes back to back, I ain't fell off yet. You don't seem to realize, bitch, I'm one of the best. Get money and invest in yourself, quick lesson. Niggas dying every day, little nigga quit stressing. What's happening? Nigga, what's happening? Nigga, what's happening? It's organic, so don't panic. No label, no manage, still manage. Illmatic, real savage. Life of a hustler. It's ups and it's downs, you just gotta get accustomed. White Air Forces in the box, never touched them. I don't want no drama with a nigga, I like money. Quick vacation somewhere that is sunny. New work with me, she just wanna make some duckies. Bought the bitch Newski, treat it like a bucket. 100 nigga fuck you, stunting out in public. Green tea and some crumpets with a bitch, she from London. $80 lotion, got a nigga smelling scrumptious. 5 in the morning in the lab cooking Sunday. Very organic, bitch, you knowin' how I'm coming. Exhaust on the coupe, bitch, you knowin' when I'm coming. Left baby house early, grabbed the juice and the muffin. On my way, OT, first class, I deserve it. It was times I was hurting, looking back, it was worth it. I'ma get mine for certain, for sure, for sure. Don't be coming around me like you know me. What's happening? Nigga, what's happening? Bitch, why you looking down? All I know is up.
Oh shit, is that G in it? Oh goddamn, see my bitch up in it. Oh shit, is that G in it? Oh god.
Riding around town with the windows tinted.
Oh shit, is that G in it?
I ain't even know, but the rims still spinning.
Oh goddamn, see my bitch up in it.
Like, oh no, need to go get you a new hoe. Fit little mama, she two-tone. Light skinned girl, she two-tone. Okay, riding around town with the windows tinted.
Oh shit, is that G in it?
I ain't even know, but the rims still spinning.
Oh goddamn, see my bitch up in it.
Like, oh no, need to go get you a new hoe. Fit little mama, she two-tone. Light skinned girl, she two-tone. Okay, I ain't even know about the bitch. I ain't even know about the thought. I ain't even know she cool. I don't even know she hot.
I don't even know she not.
I don't even know she the feds. I don't even know she the cops. I don't even know she the ops. Damn, man. But I do know one thing, no. Them titties ain't real, but the ass authentic. How would you know? Cause I was just in it. I was in the field like the line of scrimmage. World Series game, I was waving my pennant. I was going hard, I was really trying to win it. Damn, you can't reach my peak, can't reach my limit. Now I gotta move it like Cole, like Bennett. Sell my soul, put my whole life in it. Not me though, had to do a little different. Did my dance, really had to go spin it. Running my race, you can call me the Senate. Man in charge of the main lieutenant. Take my word, guarantee I'm in it. I don't sell love, baby girl, I rent it. Riding around town with the windows tinted.
Oh shit, is that G in it?
I ain't even know, but the rims still spinning.
Oh goddamn, see my bitch up in it.
Like, oh no, need to go
Oh shit, is that G in it?
I ain't even know, but the rim's still spinning.
Oh goddamn, get my bitch up in it.
Like, oh, no, need to go get you a new hoe. Fit little mama, she two-tone. Light-skinned girl, she two-tone. Okay.
I used to wanna save the world till I realized saving the world don't do much for a nigga. At the end of the day, I could die for the cause, but still won't fuck with a nigga. I seen the real time, both out during my deal sign. Transformation, cancellation, amputations, antics taking over. Damage made my ramp around my soldiers. Pray to God salvation found its way, salvation never found. Instead of me plotting course for Project 3, my landlord taking me to trial. How would I been through behind every grin? Perfected a way of faking smiles. Accepted the weight of faith for now. The lessons created break me down. To my core, to the bone.
Out around again, trapped inside your head, moving. Realize, and then you realize. Like you always do. Like you always do. Like you always do. Like you always do. Feel it now and then, up and down again, up and down again, and again, and again. Running out of statements, staring at the pavement, all the time trying to be true, stay true, like you do, like you always do. Like you always do. Like you always do. Like you always do.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Trending down again. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Did you take any trades?
No, I had that long earlier that got stopped out. That's been it.
Wow. Tesla gave all the upside again. Nvidia too. Oh, I broke yesterday low already.
Yeah, and keys right at it. There it is.
Yeah.
I guess you didn't see me here waving my hand in front of your face for the past 10 years, asking y'all to start sharing my shit. I get it, back then I was young and my shit wasn't lit. Guess guess I just wasn't it. Look, now all of a sudden they see the kids shining, big winning, feel like I just hit the lotto. They got mixed feelings. Chicks tell me bravo and give me French kisses. Behind the wheel I gotta drive slow, cause this bitch face in my lap. We on the interstate, I'm flying down the road with no map, no GPS, I don't even know where the fuck am I at. Just keep driving, my eyes on the road until they roll back. I forgot this bitch down there was still sucking. Ho, we bout to crash, fuck it. A fresh restart with a new life would be nice. Reincarnate me as Jesus Christ with an army that's twice the size of my crucifiers. This time it'll be them that's going through the fire. I'm rocking new attire, now you've seen God in a white tee with some Nikes on my feet like Mac Miller. When it come to words, they know I'm a verbal caterpillar, and they clap when I rap like I'm blacker than Dracula. Spectacular, the cash adding up. That's what happens growing up hungry, cause you ain't have enough. About to start popping my shit, cause I ain't brag enough. Anything you want, you can have if you want it bad enough.
Think we see overnight lows? In his downtrending? Probably, huh? Or do we make some miraculous higher low here on the hourly?
I have also zoned there where yesterday overnight lows were.
I'm up when you're down. I'm square and you're round. You're here, I'm not in town. Now you're trying to get down. You push me away.
That could be support area, but I don't know really.
I'm gonna stay in my lane. I don't need this.
I think he's trying to hold
I'm
yesterday
telling
lows.
you should move if you're not with it. Cause we both gonna lose if we're just sitting. I see nothing here, see nothing here. We should just get on our way, my dear. Yeah. Baby, you pack your bags, get gone. Down at my door says no one's home. Wanna be happy on my own. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I could change your life, but you want to stay outside from this love you'd rather hide. It's alright, it's alright. Rather be enemies instead. Jealousy for that reason instead. Baby, that beef is in your head. I'm so fed up, I'm telling you, you should move if you're not with it. Cause we both gonna lose if we're not sitting. I see nothing here, see nothing here. We should just be on our way, my dear. Yeah, baby, you pack your bags, get gone. Out of my door says no one. Wanna be happy on my own. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Yeah, sorry, took out all those lows.
No sharing, no sharing, no sharing. No sharing, not sharing, not sharing. I'm not caring, not caring, not caring. Not caring, not caring, not caring. I'm not sharing, not sharing, not sharing. Not sharing, not sharing, not sharing. Not caring, not caring, not caring. Not caring, not caring, not caring, not caring. Baby, you pack your bags, get gone. Yes, out of my door says no one's home. Gonna be happy when you're home. Leave me alone. 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 Leave me alone.
With that hold on NQ was a nice scalp.
Did you take that?
No.
Gotcha. Yeah, that was a nice little move.
When I was a snot nose, my papa told me, you know, you got this family, son. Soon you'll see. Always hold your mama's hand when you're crossing that street. What papa told me when I was a snot nose, my papa told me, you know, you got this family, son. Soon you'll see. Always hold your mama's hand when you're crossing that street.
Hey, Dad. I remember what you told me. Like, little Chancellor, pull your pants up. Stick and move, son. Keep your hands up. Somebody put you down, better stand up. Don't wear no jewelry, nigga. Them shits is handcuffs. Don't need no back talk. That mean don't talk back. You going back for fall? You plan to fall back? Nah, cool. Jackson 5, sell CDs and packs of 5. Better wrap your heart out, Rooster Boy, 'cause them streets will eat your ass alive. Hardest, darkest moments are the farthest from the barbecue. Father's Day in barbershop, fishing at the park with you. Act right when I'm not with you. Still asking what I should do. Gotta watch the throne 'cause it's time to flow. But I got what I got from
When I
watching
was
you.
a snot nose, my papa told me, you know, you got this family, son. Soon you'll see. Always hold your mama's hand when you're crossing that street. What papa told me when I was a snot nose, my papa told me, you know, you got this family, son. Soon you'll see. Always hold your mama's hand when you're crossing that street. What papa told me.
Now that I'm a young man, the devil's haunting me. He won't let me sleep. I see him in my dreams, and every day I wake, my soul it tries to take. But Papa taught me stay the course and pray for better days. Don't mind what they say. Be what you about if you are who you say. No need to speak it loud. Papa's love was strong when he held you in his arms. Could nothing ever break that bond.
When I was a snot nose, my papa told me, you know, you got this family, son. Soon you'll see. Always hold your mama's hand when you're crossing that street. What papa told me when I was a snot nose, my papa told me, you know, you got this family, son. Soon you'll see. Always hold your mama's hand when you're crossing that street. What papa told me.
What in the world? I tried a long in here. Oh man.
What's your stop loss?
277. Targeting a little over 400. I want to see us break these little swing highs. We'll see. I like that we kept testing and holding yesterday's low.
Yeah.
I didn't get the entry I wanted. Yeah, I didn't get the entry I wanted. I'm having an odd issue with my Tradovate, and my computer seemed to be, I think maybe it's because I'm like streaming and playing music and stuff. I think my computer just lags is what happens. But I get like a disconnect where they're just not in sync.
I don't know, man.
I mean, that's my only idea of what's happening. Otherwise, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. Yeah, your trade seems to be working. What's your exit?
My take profit?
Yeah.
Like 404? Yeah, I want to see it. Well, I think I'm literally a minute behind. Well, where is it on here? Yeah, my chart's a minute behind, but I'm kind of scared to close out and restart it while I'm in a trade.
That's so weird.
Let me know if it hits my take profit.
403.
Really? Are you shitting me?
It's,
Oh, it did it. Let's go. Let's go, baby. All right. We're up on the day. I'm calling it there. My shit's lagging. Let's go. Yeah, sometimes I'm taking these bigger moves, but I feel like you have to with the volatility. Like before, I was using like a 15-20 point stop loss. I'd get eaten alive if I did that in today's volatility.
It's been like this for like almost a month, I think.
Yeah.
Huge swings.
I decided to like take less position, but more like stop loss and higher like take profits.
Yeah, man, it's kind of necessary. I'm just I'm pretty much keeping my position size the same, but I'm just holding for like 70, 80 points and trying to swing large. Sample size of 2 days, but it's been all right. My first trade was definitely ill-advised. I probably shouldn't have taken that in hindsight.
In the past month, it's moved down 3,100 points.
wouldn't have surprised me all that much to see a lower high somewhere in here, though. Between like 400 and 450. Yeah, these ranges are so wide. When I look at my chart, I'm like, oh, I'll just place my stop here, and then I realize it's like 50 points. Oh shit. I seriously had like a 57 point stop on this to make like 75 points. I don't know. It's crazy. Or don't. Yeah, probably size down is a smart decision. But I will say, when you get that full size move with a full size position, it's pretty. Yeah, I mean that was like 750 on that trade right there. Not bad. I'm risking like 300. I'm trying to shoot for 600-700. Although my risk was a little higher on that one. My friends, I'm out of here though. I'm not taking any more trades today. It's been absolutely wild.
Yeah, I'm out as well.
Yeah. Nice trade. See you guys.
Thank you guys. Yeah. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Good stuff today. Peace.
See you boys.
Alright, for this singleton that's chilling in here, I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. We slapped a good trade, about 75 points. Yeah, 75 points on the dot. I tried a long up here. I had a little bit of a long bias, but now that I'm looking at it, it was pretty stupid. Reason why it was stupid is because we had our value area high here, and then we had yesterday's point of control here. And if you look at that, like, oh, this song's such a jam. Bear with me. Why this trade was ill-advised was this right here. We had a value area high, which we'd expect to act as resistance, and then we have this point of control, which price will pull to for sure. But it's going to be like a point of resistance because there's so much volume traded there. Like, you're going to need a lot of buying pressure to push you past that, right? So why I took it is I wanted to see a break of pre-market high to the upside. I wanted to see a break of pre-market high, and I want to see it pull back and hold this volume node right here. And then I was going to target kind of this swing high up here, because you can see how that volume drops off above this point of control and then picks up when we're up here. And that's like a logical point, right? It's a swing high and a psychological 700. So I was trying to see a break up, retest this volume node, and then continuation to the upside. And I just got a little bit ahead of myself. We broke above, pulled back under, and then we broke above again right after news. We got a pretty strong push, and as we came back and retested this area, I entered long. Luckily, my stop loss wasn't too stupid, and we had about $340 loss on that. So not terrible, especially if I was, you know, aiming for somewhere up here, like over 100-point move. But realistically, I should have realized that the first time we broke out, we got a fake breakout and then declined, right? And then tried it again. And I should have waited for some sort of 5-minute confirmation. And I did not. So the second trade that I took was a long down here. Whole idea is I'm watching this hourly chart and I'm just looking at like market structure, right? We've been making lower lows and lower highs. We broke this swing high here from yesterday. We broke that. And as we're pulling back, all things considered, we broke this low. But, you know, we still were above this low. And I was watching yesterday's low. Take a little look-ski. We're watching like this area in here, right? Where yesterday held. And we got a really strong reaction out of that, right? We got a big move out of that, right? So as we pull down and we test it 1, 2, 3, and we, you know, we start testing it and holding it, and we see volume popping up and down in here, right? As price comes down into this area, we see volume start to pick up. And then what kind of sealed it for me is we set this low. We had kind of like a double bottom on the 1 minute. We had a little swing high, and then we set a higher low, all things looking pretty bullish, right? As soon as we come down here, we see those hammers printing, we start moving up out of that area. So I took a long stop below yesterday's low. So stop down here, enter here. Price target was 404, which, I mean, you tell me, it's a bit of a snipe if you ask me. And the reason why that target was there is I was just looking at the volume profile, right? I look at where's a lot of volume. In this range, we don't have a ton of volume, right? Same here, we have like this little volume node here, but I kind of took it as we were breaking above that already. So that's not really in consideration. I could have targeted the overnight value area low, but not a lot of volume there either. But where we do see volume pickup, and I'm just reusing these little blocks, is we see it both in the overnight session and yesterday. We see it kind of in this area, and there's a lot of volume above it too. But I figured if we could pull back up into this area, and then you see how price action reacted, right? It was a point of resistance here, point of support here, point of support here. So if we're gonna move up, where's a likely place for us to go? Up here. That's it, that's all. I'm gonna turn this music down because I can't hear myself think. But if you're paying attention, I'm learning this my own, but what I'm doing is I'm using volume profile. I'm using these levels, but more so I'm using the volume, because liquidity is what rules all, right? Price moves from points of liquidity, and you can kind of look at price action and determine it, but when you mix price action with actual volume at price, like this level makes sense, right? It's resistance, support, support. It was support today. Before we broke below it, we get a strong bounce out of this area that we kind of expect there to be buyers because we see the reaction we got just yesterday. And then even in the after hours, right? We held it for a little bit and then broke down, quickly reclaimed it and moved higher. So that tells me this area is pretty important, even though there's not a lot of volume down here. So a little bit of intuition, a little bit of luck, a little bit of technical analysis, and we mix all those together. And as long as your wins are bigger than your losses, right, we got cranked to 75-point win. We're happy with that. And I said I wouldn't be surprised to see us put in a higher low right here, or excuse me, a lower high right here, because we are trending down from the open. And look at what's happening, right? Going all the way back down. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting lucky or if I'm starting to figure things out a little bit, but we're using full size, 5 contracts per account. We got 2 accounts and we're up. We're up over a rack in 2 days, averaging $500 a day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. All right, peace. I'm out. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Get outside if it's sunny. Read a book inside by a fire if it's rainy. Call your mama.